Some babies grab food with their own hands, while some babies are fed every single bite. Which method is right? Hi, I'm Dr. Chaya Shah, a pediatric physician from Jabalpur. In many Western countries and even in some parts of India, weaning begins as baby led feeding. Finger foods, small portions of food, letting the baby explore the food on their own. It's about independence, curiosity, and textures. While in India, we often start with soft khichdi, mashed dal, or mashed fruits, fed lovingly by a parent or sometimes even a grandparent. Herein, the food is about comfort, warmth, and not just nutrition. Culturally, this makes sense. In Western countries, it's all about independence. One way reflects nuclear families and independence. The other way, as in India, reflects extended families and interdependence. So, which is right? Both paths work equally well. When a baby feeds on their own, it supports independence. It helps the baby learn motor skills right from an early age. While hand feeding, as in India, ensures emotional bonding and also exposing the baby gently and gradually to different flavors. Both are different routes, but the same healthy growth pattern follows in both sets. So, food is never just food, it is love served on a plate. So, whether a child picks up a spoonful of porridge on their own or picks up a carrot stick from the dinner tray, or the child is fed soft khichdi by the parent or the grandparents, the child feels seen and cared for. It's a bit like learning to swim. Some children take the help of floaters to learn to swim. Some children take the help of parents' arm. Both of them learn swimming, but in a different way. So, can we blend in both the ways? Yes, of course. So, families who hand feed the babies can also allow their babies to explore food on their own while feeding them. And families who follow baby led weaning can also occasionally offer food with their own hands as a gesture of comfort, of connection, of love. So, if you follow the Indian method or the Western method, or if you blend in both methods, what matters most is the joy around a meal. See you again soon with another interesting video.